HOTH stock analysis. This is for Thursday. So is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made, documented them all. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not. From the get-go, beforehand, I was looking for a second break, and as I was looking for it, it didn't happen, and actually the price came lower even beneath the previous lows. And once that happened, I just kind of abandoned the ticker, and then you can see today we're 66% up. So did I miss out? I mean, I don't think I did miss out. I mean, there's other things that I've been focusing on my own stuff. Then ultimately here, unless I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a shift and a double break, then I guess I'm not going to look to randomly buy, right? So that's where we're ultimately sitting at. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for my rules to be met. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then yeah, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.